Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review some of my favorite products which I have purchased from Nykaa under some 20% off sale was going on, and I seriously love these two things because I've been using this from last say 2 years, and this has brought drastic change in my skin, and someday I will share my skincare routine also with you. So without much ado, let's get started. This is the first product which I have ordered from Nykaa, and I have got some 20% discount on this. It's called Simple Clear Pore Scrub. Simple is a brand which I adore a lot. Initially, it has come to India some year back, but before that, one of my friend, she is from UK, and she has brought Simple products, and I've tried that, and it was excellent. My God! And from then I have asked her to bring from send me from UK, but I am really lucky enough that India has introduced these products, and now you can get easily these products on Nykaa. So this is Simple Clear Pore Scrub, and believe me guys, this is one of the marvelous scrub I've ever used in my life. It is so mild, it is so gentle that it works wonder for your skin. Okay, and it's like the granules which are present in this scrub. I'll just show you. This granules which are present in this particular scrub are so soft on your skin that it doesn't give you any sort of, if you regularly use this scrub also on a second day basis, then also your skin will not get deteriorated. So I seriously love this, and I would recommend this. And this video has not been sponsored by anybody, guys, so please make sure this is my personal experience which I am sharing with you, so that you people will also get benefited. So let's go and see what is present in this. We'll go to the back side of this. This is dermatologically tested, non-comedogenic. It means that there are no harsh chemicals in it, and there is no salicylic acid, no harsh chemical, no minerals, and it is made of witch hazel theme and zinc prebiotic, vitamin B3 also. So this is something which is very light. If you go through the ingredient of this, you will not find anything which is very harsh. It has water, aqua means water, and there is glycerine, there is acetylate, there is citric acid, there is penethanol. All the products are so good that I have been using it, and I am getting great benefits by using this particular scrub. Initially I was using Body Shop scrub also, microdermabrasion, but that is quite expensive, 1200 के ऊपर का है कुछ, and this is something which is very reasonable and cheap. So guys, I would suggest you just go for it, and the price for this is, you can see 375, but from Nykaa I have got something on 20% discount, so it has been like 320-30 का मुझे मिला है. और नायका की और भी सेल्स जो आती हैं, तो यू कैन पुट दिस इन योर विश लिस्ट, एंड व्हेन द सेल विल कम, जस्ट ग्रैब इट फास्ट. नाउ द another thing which I have ordered along with this thing is the Simple face wash. This is the most refreshing face wash I've ever used, and I've been using this from last 2 years, and this is 100% soap free, very mild, very gentle on your skin. I've got a sensitive skin, I've got acne, I've got pimple. So I have been using this, and I'm getting great results from this. So I would suggest you to please go for these two products. Simple is a great brand. I was ordering moisturizing lotion also of Simple, but somehow it was not available, and it was out of stock. Soon I will be ordering it as soon as Nykaa will get this back, and I would suggest you guys, please go for this. Simple is really simple, and whatever is simple, it suits to your skin. So try to use simple things for your skin. No chemical, no harsh chemicals, no acids, nothing. Whatever simplest thing you can use on your skin, your skin will glow. This is my personal experience which I am sharing with you, and I am not being sponsors any of the Simple products or Simple company. This is something which is out of my personal experience from last 2 years. So guys, please go for this. And if you really like my video, one thing more is left. I just want to show you that what is the quality of this scrub. Wait, I'll just open it up. This scrub is really very gentle on the skin. Let me take it out. This much is the quantity which I have taken. Okay, I'll show you. Once I'll rub on my skin, then I will show you that how it works. Oh my god, this is so gentle that you won't be able to feel also the harshness of the product anyhow, and then it removes all your whiteheads, blackheads, and it gives you a clear smooth skin. So first of all, cleanse your face with simple face wash. After that, on the wet face, take a little bit more than a pea size amount of this thing, scrub for your cheeks, and pea size amount for your forehead also. Scrub it really gently for 3 minutes, and after that just wash your face with cold water and apply whatever, if you don't have any face mask, prepare your own face mask. Multani mitti face mask you can use sandalwood face mask, any face mask you can put on your skin just to close the pores. If you don't want to use any face mask, go for the toner. For the toner thing, I use gulab water, dabur gulabari. I just wrinkle it. I just put a handsome amount of that water on my skin just to close the pores. You can put that water, and after that you will find that your skin will glow. So guys, please go for it. Go for Simple is a great brand. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in my next video very soon. Till then, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit on that bell icon so that you keep on getting my good videos every now and then. See you guys. Let's learn with Shaz. Bye bye.